You buy travel headphones for the flight, then the ear cups ache before the snack cart. That turns ANC, battery, and fit into real trip problems, not spec sheet trivia. So we're counting down to the pair I'd actually pack. Start with your longest ride, your head shape, and your backup plan. Bad fit ruins ANC, and dead batteries ruin flights. Let's move. Number 6. Technics EAH-AZ100. Want the smallest travel setup here? I'd pick these if over-ears feel annoying in a packed carry-on, but you still want ANC and a stable in-ear fit. The big reason they're here is portability with serious connection flexibility, 3-way Bluetooth multipoint, LDAC, and LC3 support. That means they're easier to juggle across a phone, tablet, and laptop without dragging a giant case around. The trade-off is simple. They save bag space, but they don't match the over-ear picks for single-charge stamina. You get OVE or 12HOU or continuous battery life, plus a case with an extra 1.5 charges, which helps. Skip them if you want the longest unplugged stretch between charging stops. Number 5. Anker Soundcore Life Q 2020-24. This is the budget move, and I'd consider it if you want ANC without treating headphones like jewelry. It's a closed-back wireless over-ear with a mic, multi-device Bluetooth, and the useful 2024 update, graphic EQ, and presets. That matters because the V-shaped tuning can be fun, but you may want to calm it down for podcasts or long playlists. The trade-off is where the lower tier shows up. Its ANC doesn't push back on low engine rumble like the stronger picks, and the build feels plasticky. Skip it if you want a rigid protective case, stronger bass range noise reduction, or headphones that feel like they'll survive rough bag treatment. Number 4. Anker Soundcore Life Q30 Wireless. Here's the battery-first Anker pick, and I'd choose it for cheaper trips where charging anxiety is the enemy. You still get closed-back wireless over-ears with ANC, a mic, and app EQ for cleaning up the sound. The headline is around 44 hours of continuous battery life, which is the kind of cushion that covers delays, layovers, and forgetful packing. But there's a reason it isn't higher. The build isn't as convincing as the pricier models, and the bass-heavy tuning can make busy tracks feel muddy or cluttered. Skip it if you listen loud near other people, because it leaks more audio than the Q45. Number 3. Anker Soundcore Space Q45 Wireless. This is the mid-range travel pick for adaptive ANC without stepping into Sony money. Choose it for over-ear ANC, app EQ, passive cable use, and around 27 hours with ANC. That battery gives long travel days solid coverage, while adaptive ANC helps it feel more capable than cheaper Ankers. It works best for travelers balancing price, features, and practical flight use. The trade-off is premium feel. Noise-canceling value is strong, but battery life, comfort, and build quality trail the Sony WH-1000XM4. Skip it if you want the plushest fit or most polished build in this shortlist. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless. This older Sony stays here as the upper mid-range value pick. It suits travelers wanting over-ear ANC, a lightweight padded fit, and wired use with ANC. You also get an included airplane adapter and about 37 hours of continuous battery life. That longer battery life is the practical win over the newer XM6 in this shortlist. For many trips, the older design still covers the core travel needs well. The trade-off is performance ceiling. Its ANC is not as effective as the WH-1000XM6, and the microphone is a weak point. Skip it if call quality matters for airports, cars, or hotel lobbies. Number 1. Sony WH-1000XM6. This is the top shortlist pick for premium over-ear ANC and a folding travel design. Pack it for frequent flights, commuting, wired backup, and a rigid carrying case. You get closed-back wireless over-ears with ANC, a mic, and app-based sound adjustment. Almost 32 hours with ANC on covers a brutal travel day without much battery anxiety. It is the strongest all-around travel option here. The trade-off is fit, not the feature set. Larger ears may not love the shape, and Bose is roomier for more head and ear shapes. Skip it if maximum comfort matters more than Sony's stronger travel kit. If you want tiny, pick the Technics. If you want cheap ANC, start with the Q20-2024. For battery, the Q30 is the blunt tool. For balanced value, I'd look at the Q45. For premium travel, choose XM4 for value or XM6 for the strongest overall package. Before you buy, check return rules, current price, and availability. Then think about your longest route, whether you need wired flight audio, and whether your ears tolerate sealed over-ears for hours. So that's the split. Technics for pocket travel, Anker for tighter budgets, XM4 for premium value, and XM6 as the one I'd buy first. If you want to compare current options, links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.